Hello everyone. Next question. Okay, we will try to solve this question in very easy way. So as you can see, the question is from linear algebra, and this question is come in February 2025. Okay. So what is the question? Consider a bilinear form, which is a bilinear form of R4 cross R4 to R, defined by this: B of xy equal to x1 y3 plus x2 y4 minus x3 y1 and x4 y2. Okay, where x and y are given, which are belong from R4. Let A denote the matrix of B. Okay, so what is the A? A is the matrix which is constructed with this B. Okay, which is B. B is given. Okay, with respect to the standard ordered basis of R4. Okay, so which of the following statement is true? So there are four options. Okay, this is very easy question basically. So given B is B xy is x1 y3 plus x2 y4 minus x3 y1 and x4 y2. So how we construct the corresponding matrix A? So because this is a bilinear form, so we can construct the corresponding matrix. I can write in the row wise x1 x2 x3 x4 and column wise y1 y2 y3 y4. So as you can see, x1 y, the coefficient of x1 y1 is 0, x1 y2 is 0, x1 y3 is 1, and the coefficient of x1 y4 again 0. Okay, in this given B. Similarly, the coefficient of x2 y1 0, x2 y2 again 0, x2 y3, this x2 y3 is 0, and the coefficient of x2 y4 is 1. Okay. Similarly, you can see the coefficient of x3 y1 is minus 1 here, and rest are 0, and the coefficient of x4 y2 is again minus 1 and rest are 0. Okay. So this is the matrix. So we can find the, if we can find the eigenvalue of this matrix, then we can solve this question in very easy way. So how we can find the eigenvalue? As you can see, this is the block matrix basically. This is one block and this is another block. Okay, so the eigenvalue is 1 1 and minus 1 only. So the eigenvalue of A is minus 1 1 1. Okay, so the determinant is nothing but a product of these matrices, which is again 1, because two eigenvalues are negative and 2 are positive, and negative 1 and positive 1. Okay, so the determinant is multiplication of these, so which is 1. So the first option, determinant of A is 0, false, and the second option, determinant of A is minus 1, again false. So these two all are not our option. So we can cancel out these. Now come to the option 3. If we replace xy by xx, then what? So now in this bxy, which is defined as this, we can replace y as a x. So what we get? X1 x3 x2 x4 x3 x1 and x4 y2 x4 x2. Okay, so here I write here x1 x3 plus x2 x4 minus x1 x3 x1 minus x4 x2, which is 0. Why is 0? Because if I take for example, x1 x2 x3 and x4 are 1 1 1 1. Okay, how we can take? Because it is given that, because x1 and x2 are belongs to from r square. So I take 1 x1 x2 x3 x4 1 1, so I get 0. Okay, so again this option is false, because he says bxs is not equal to 0 for all non-zero x, but if I take x equal to 1, then this is 0. So again option 3 is wrong, only option 4 is correct option. So I hope you got it. It is a very easy question. If you like this content, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.